Namaste and good morning. Uh, I request all of you please check your answer that I left yesterday. 10 questions. Today I will tell the answer, which answer will be there and why. So question number one was the pencil. The pencil is on the table is mine, and we have the option who, which, where, which. These four options are there. The pencil. Okay. The pencil is a thing. Yes. The pencil is a thing. Who cannot be there because who is used for the person. Where is used for the place. So that's why where cannot be used there. So what is used for the thing? Which is used for the thing. So the pencil. Now what will be here? Which. The pencil which is on the table is mine. Because the pencil is a thing, and for thing what is used, which is used, who is used for the person, where is used for the place, and which is used for the thing. 2 number, the fish I ate yesterday was very delicious. And we have option that, when, and where. The fish. Okay, the fish is one item. Considered is just a thing. So when is used for the time, where is used for the place, and that is used for the thing. What, which, that. Three things are used for the thing. So that the fish that I ate yesterday was very delicious. So what will be here? That. So three relative pronouns are used for the thing, which, that, and what. 3 number, Mr. Bhandari was lecturing on a topic. So Mr. Bhandari lecturing on a topic blank was very boring indeed. Was very boring indeed. And we have option whom, when, which. Whom, when, which. Okay. Mr. Bhandari was lecturing on a topic was very boring. So what was very boring? So lecturing. Lecturing is a thing. So that's why we need whom is used for the person. Wrong. When is used for the time. Wrong. So what is the correct answer? Which. So Mr. Bhandari was lecturing on a topic which was very boring indeed. So what will be here? Which. Question number 4. I was working in my field. I was working in my field blank. The crime took place. We have option which, where, and what. So I was working in a field, in my field. So what is here? Place, field. I was working in my field, place. So which is used for the thing. It is not used for the crime. It is not used for the crime. Relative. We don't need relative pronoun for crime. We need relative pronoun for what? Field. So what is used for the thing? Where. So I was working in my field where the crime took place. Question number 5. I know the home. I know the home blank. My father was born. My father was born. I know the home. My father was born. And we have option which, who, where. So 3 are there. I know the home. Home is a place also, a thing also. So thing is not suitable over here. I know the home which my father was born. It is wrong. So here it is wrong. And who, I don't need for the father, so that's why it is not over here. So what is here correct answer? Where. So I know the home where my father was born. So I know the home where my father was born. Question number 6. The soap they sell mobile set. They sell mobile set is on school road. Is on school road. Now we have option where, which, whom. So where, which, whom. So the soap. The soap which cannot be there because here subject is already there. Whom, it cannot, it is used for the person. So where. What is the soap where they sell? The soap where they sell mobile set is on school road. So what is the correct answer? Where. Where is used for the place. 7 number. The time. The match was started. The match was started was exactly 3 o'clock. And we have option when, which, and whose. See here, it is very clear. The time, talking about time, so that's why when. The time when the match was started was exactly 3 o'clock. 8 number. The time I usually get up. I usually get up is 4 a.m. And we have option what, which, when. What, which, when. So here also talking about time. So when the time when I usually get up is 4 a.m. These are wrong answer. 9 number question. I want to know is your personality, and we have option when, what, whom. So here personality. Personality is thing, so that's why when is not used for the thing, whom is not used for the thing, what is used for the thing, what. So here correct answer, what I know, what I want to know is your personality. Is that clear? Now 10 number. She gave the children, she gave the children dot dot dot, they liked, and we have option what, whom, whose. So see here, she gave the children, she gave the children, they liked, she gave something, she gave something, she gave the children whom they liked. So whom will be suitable when here she would be here. So sorry, she will be here. She gave the children, she gave the children whom she liked, she gave the children whom she liked. Then in this condition whom is correct answer, but here it is not correct. So whose, she gave the children whose they liked, it is also not suitable. So she gave the children what they like. So here what is the correct answer? Correct answer is what they like. So she gave something, that for thing what is used here, what is used. So in this way I hope all of you have understood about the relative pronoun, how relative pronoun is used in a sentence to connect. So sometimes relative pronouns is also known as connectives. Understand, because it connect two sentences. Okay, so only this much about relative pronoun. In next class we'll start this whole week we will talk about grammar. Then after that we will enter into our textbook. So next class I will talk about causative verb. So I request all of you, please go through causative verb. Yes, it will be easy to understand. So in next class I will talk about causative verb. I hope all of you have understood, and at last stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.